Design and analysis of algorithm. Design and analysis of algorithm. Christina Sharin here. This is a program to find the minimum spanning tree using Kruskal's algorithm. First, sort all the edges in non-decreasing order of their weight, then pick the smallest edge, check if it forms a cycle, if not discard it. Repeat it until there are v-1 edges in the spanning tree. That is the algorithm. Let me show the program. This is my program in Java. First import all the library files. Then define a class graph to represent a graph edge. Then define class edge implements comparable edge. Comparator function is used for sorting the edge based on their weight. Declare src dist and weight of integer data type and use compare_to function to compare edge. Return the last weight minus compared weights edge. Then to find the subset for union, declare a class called subset, then declare integer parent and rank, then declare vertices and edge b, e, then for a collection of edges array, declare edge. Create a graph with v vertices and e edge by defining a graph function. Invoke v and e inside the graph function as integer data type. Set the v and e to capital V and E and declare new an object edge using new keyword. Iterate through each of the edges using for loop and setting the base condition I equal to 0 and checking whether I is less than E. Now set the edge of the ith element to new edge function, that is create an object. Now use the find function to find the set of element I. This is called path compression technique. Find the root and make the root as the parent of I using if statement. Check whether the parent is not equal to I. If it is not equal to I, find the root using find function and set it as parent of I using subsets of I dot parent. If not, return the subset of I dot parent itself. A function is declared, that is union. It contains two sets x and y to find the union based on rank. Now declare x root and y root of integer data type and find the subset and replace it by y. Attach the smaller tree under the root of higher tree. For that, use an if statement and check whether the subset of x root of rank is less than the y root of rank. If it is so, assign the x root of parent to y root. If not, assign the x root of y to x root. If the ranks are same, then find the root and increment the rank by 1. Now the main function is used to construct the MST using Kruskal's algorithm. So declare a void Kruskal's MST function. Under that, get the result array using new edge of V. Now an index variable is used for storing the result of E. Declare the edge as 0, index variable as 0. Now iterate through the loop by setting the base condition I is less than capital V. Now store the result into new edge function. First, as we have seen, we have to sort all the edges in descending order of their weight. If not, we have to change the given graph. We can create a copy of array of edges. So for sorting it, we are using the sort function. Now allocate the memory for V subsets. Declare a subset object and store it in subset array. Iterate through that array by setting the base condition I is less than V and assigning I as 0. Now set subset of I equal to new subset. That is, subset is in subset. Now create the V subsets with single elements. For this also, iterate through the loop using for loop and check whether V is less than V. That is, this is a double for loop. We are checking the subset of subset. If it is so, we are going to iterate through the loop. Now subset of parent should be equal to V and subset of rank is set to 0. Now I is equal to 0. Now check using while loop, check whether E is less than V minus 1. That is the base condition. Number of edges to be taken should be equal to V minus 1. Now pick the smallest edge and increment the index for the next iteration. For that, declare next edge function and create an edge object. Now set the next edge to edge of I++. Now declare x and y data type integer and using find keyword replace one subsets using source and destination. Now if it is not included, then this may not form a cycle. So if it is so, we should include it in the result and increment the index. So check whether x is not equal to y. If it is not equal to y, then increment the result and set it to next edge. Now union of subsets of x comma y. Going to find the union of the subsets. If not, discard it. Now print the contents of the result to display. Following the edges are constructed in MST. Now integer minimum cost is set to 0. Iterate through the loop using the base condition I is less than E and setting I as 0. Now find the result of I dot src and result of I dot source equal to plus result of I dot weight. Now find the minimum cost. This step is used to find the minimum cost. That is when the graph forms when the graphs forms a pattern. At last we are going to count the value of that which doesn't form a cycle. So minimum cost is equal to minimum cost plus result of weight. Now minimum spanning tree cost is printed. So this is the weighted graph, as you can see. Now declare the values of V and E. Now create a object graph and set V and E. Now set graph of edge 0 of source as 0, destination as 1, weight as 10. For 0 to 2 graph, set source as 0, destination as 2, weight as 6. Source for 0 to 3 graph 0, 3, 5. For 1 to 3 graph 1, 3, 5. 2 to 3 graph 3, 2, 3, 4. Now call the function using graph.kruskal mst. Let me run the program. I got the value. 2 to 3 is 4, 0 to 3 is 5, 0 to 1 is 10. Minimum cost spanning tree is 19. So this is the graph. 2 to 3 is does not form a cycle, so 4. 0 to 3 does not form a cycle, the value is 5. 0 to 1, the value is 10. 0 to 1, 0 to 3 and 2 to 3. So this is the minimum spanning tree. Two to three, 0 to 1 and 0 to 3, this diagonal. Thank you for and the minimum spanning tree cost is 4 plus 5 plus 10 is 19. Thank you for watching.